Illustration 6, Composing Reality. So in this illustration by Hume, what she is drawing is Vadim's concept that we can't actually change reality in the present moment. That it's really only those future frames that can be affected. So once the current frame is in our lineup, it's already essentially happened, meaning we already composed that frame of reality with our prior actions. So if we want to compose our reality and have something different than what we have in the current moment, we actually have to look to those future frames, not the current frame that we are in. However, when we do compose reality by taking that future frame into consideration, we no longer are abiding by the fixed script. We are taking the script into our own hands and we are creating a new script with that goal being our end frame. So when you decide that you want to be something or have something or do something, that is your end goal. That is your end frame. And all the action and thought quality that you have leading up until that end frame needs to be in line with that end frame. That's why we can't control reality in our current frame. It's because we have to apply thought action and physical action towards that end frame. So at the end of the illustration here in the bottom, Hume says you can just choose the film that will be shown in the future. So again, you can't choose a different film in your current frame, but you can choose the film that will be shown in the future. Please stay tuned for lesson 7, which is the intention plate.